On the mic, more volume on the mic.
Take a picture.
What a Jamaican flag? What a Jamaican flag? Anybody from Jamaica?
All my Caribbean people, if you're proud to be Caribbean, if you love who you are, let me hear you say, hell yeah! All my Caribbean masters, I'm still the original rude boy, David Levy, rocking you, Brooklyn! Yes. Right down. 107.5 WBLS. David Levy rocking you. Big up Spice. Big up the crew. I've known the Spice for a long time. Thank you very much for coming on the truck. Lola Brooks, thank you everybody. This is still the #1 Caribbean show in the world, Caribbean Fever. We are rocking the Sesame Flyers tonight. DJ